Today we're going to be making a stress ball out of balloons and slime. So let's get started. So what we're going to need is borax,
lots of glue, that's optional,
and balloons. Just if one pops, you can start over.
Yeah.
And
water,
a spoon, and a mixing bowl.
mixing bowl, and some food colorings. That's optional.
So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we'll need is the mixing bowl. And what you're going to do
is put all the glue inside the mixing bowl.
Okay, so once you're done putting all the glue inside the mixing bowl, you're going to need the water, the spoon, and the borax. Is it on time lapse? That's weird. Okay, so you're just going to add it all until it looks like decent to put in. Oh God. Okay, so when you're done making a mess, you're just gonna stir until it all dissolves. So when you're done stirring that, you're gonna add in your food coloring inside of the bucket. So yeah, let's do it. Once you're done with that, you're going to mix it until the color is even out. It's like this lavenderish thing.
So now we're gonna put this in
the borax, and you have to make sure that you add it slowly, or else it's gonna be all clumped and it's gonna be hard.
And while you're adding it, mix it.
Yeah, because then it's gonna be all in one piece and it's gonna look bad. Okay guys, so when you're done, we have to knead it so it could all come together. As you can see, it looks really gooey and it feels like poop, but eventually it's gonna find the right consistency. Okay, and it's really stretchy and you can really mold it.
Feels like Laffy Taffy.
You feel Laffy Taffy?
I mean, how are you supposed to eat it?
Oh, yeah, it's true. Okay, so anyways, we're done with the easy part, and we're going to put it inside some balloons. So
let's get to it.
Yeah. Inside the balloon for about an hour, and it does not work. So we're just going to speed this video up, and we'll show you when we're done. Bye! Okay, so I would give this DIY/project
Where are my cheese balls?
Thumbs down, because it really didn't work, and the people that I see on YouTube, you know how they do it so perfectly? Well, it's not us. It's not us. We don't do this good. So, anyway, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and give us requests of what we should do next. Bye!